Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to resize an image using MS Paint in Windows. Click on the Start button. Search for Paint in the search box. Now click on Paint. Click on the drop-down arrow at the top left corner and click Open. Navigate to Image folder, select the image file and click Open. Click on Resize option for the home menu. Click the Resize and Skew window. Either select the percentage or pixels to resize the image. You can select Pixel option and mention the desired pixel. Then click on OK button. Now click on the drop down arrow again and select Save as Jpeg image. Give a name to the new resized image and click Save. This is how we can resize an image in Windows 7 using MS Paint.